Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is creamy chicken pasta. You are going to love this one. Please watch to the end and also help me to share. Thank you. I'm going to start by frying the chicken. I have already marinated it. After that, I'm going to go to the next level. As you can see, the chicken is ready. I added the rest also. So in my other pot, I added my vegetable oil. After letting it hot, I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to let it fry for some seconds and thereafter add my already fried chicken. After that, I'm going to add my heavy cream, which is very important for this recipe. Okay, without this cream, you will not get that taste, that creamy taste. So I'm going to cook my pasta. As you can see, the water is cooking already. I'm going to add my pasta and let it cook. I added salt also. So here is my black pepper, which I'm adding to the sauce already. I added also some cayenne pepper and paprika powder. I'm going to add more black pepper and then some seasoning. I'm going to stir and thereafter add my pasta. This pasta is very good. Like, I like this one also, okay, because of my kids. That's why I decided to use this one. You can also use any pasta of your choice. It's very okay. So I'm going to add more black pepper. Remember, black pepper is also very important for this recipe because it gives it that extra taste and flavor. I also added my garlic powder, which is also very important for this meal. And thereafter, I'm going to stir and cover to let cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, that's it. My food is ready. That's how I prepared this delicious creamy chicken pasta. Thank you so much for watching from the start to the end. Please help me to like, comment, and share, and also follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you and see you in my next video.